Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Here is a part 2 of some winter shopping जो मैंने Amazon पे recently की है. अगर आपने part 1 नहीं देखा है, then I will link it down below. Do have a look at that. वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे basics मैंने दिखाए हैं. आज की वीडियो में मैंने कुछ pieces लिए हैं. It's not going to be a long one. It's a short haul video. But मैंने कुछ इतने interesting pieces लिए हैं that look so nice and stylish. And you know the best part, Amazon का sale sale चल रहा है from the 18th to 23rd of December, जहाँ पे आपको मिल सकता है minimum 60% off and extra 5% off on the latest trends and styles. So it's the best time to shop for all of your essentials. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. आते हैं to the first product, which is this very beautiful and very lovely color sweatshirt which says inspire others every day. I love what it says. I love the color. It's a beautiful shade of lavender and you know मैंने 700 रुपये से भी कम पे किया है for this beautiful sweatshirt. How amazing is that? It comes with a hoodie and it's so soft but it keeps you warm and cozy in this cool weather. And ये पहली बार मैंने इस ब्रांड को ट्राई किया है but I think it's such a lovely sweatshirt. It is like sort of oversized. It comes with this pocket. It is everything that you need in a hooded sweatshirt. Love the color, love the style and fit, and love the quality, love the price point as well. And इसमें color options भी आते हैं but anything purple, any shade of purple in my winter wear, I am totally in for it. Looks great everyday casual wear के लिए. You're going out for a walk or run, you're running errands. You can just wear this on any of your comfortable bottoms and it will look so stylish and so cozy at the same time. Love this. Okay, उसी ब्रांड से एक और बहुत ही प्यारा sweatshirt है मेरे पास. This again is hooded. This comes with a zipper. It's in a nice beige color. I love neutral shades as well when it comes to winter wear because you can reuse it in so many different ways. And you know the best part, it has this lovely print on the back side which says just want coffee. It's for all the coffee lovers out there. How cute is this? I love this totally. And again it's very warm. It's thicker than the previous one and जो zip है वो भी बहुत अच्छी quality का है. It has this warm lining inside so it really keeps you warm and cozy through the daytime. एंड अगेन जो गोवा का वेदर है उसमें ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं पड़ती है सो हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन होता है when you want to feel warm but not too hot at the same time. So it gives the right amount of warmth in a weather like this. And I love the color. It goes well with your denims, your black leggings, your neutral shades. It goes well with anything and everything. And again मैंने सिर्फ 670 something पे किया है for this sweatshirt which is a steal deal. It's so cute. Love the color. It I think has 2 or 3 shades in it and love everything about this sweatshirt. It's so nice and comfy at the same time. The next product was literally love at first sight for me. Look at this jacket. Oh my god, I love everything about this jacket. The color, the fit, the style. I mean, look at this. How cute and adorable is this design? This is from the brand Soul Store. I had to pick up something from them when it comes to winter wear as well. They make such cool finds and look at this. It comes with a zipper which is so good. I love the quality of the zipper and show you. Yes. So when you open it up, it's like this on the inside. It is a fleece jacket and बहुत ही stylish लगता है. You can wear it as an open jacket. You can wear it as a closed jacket. Just looks good in any way that you wear it. I think I paid around 2,500 for this, which I think is a steal price for this quality of fleece jacket. It really keeps you warm and it looks very good and effortlessly stylish. It has the elastic on your sleeves on both sides and I love the print. I love the hint of pink on the back side over here. The combination of this beige and blue looks so good, and I think it comes with colors. Let me check. It doesn't come with any color combinations. This is the only color combination that it has, but I just love it. It's so warm and बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है when you wear it, and just I think it's one of my favorite finds lately from Amazon. It just looks so good. You really have to check this one out. आते हैं to the last piece for today's video. Oh my god, look at this sweater. It's the most beautiful sweater I have in my wardrobe. इतना प्यारा shade of green. It's like this really nice poppy green shade. It has like this turtleneck to it. It's oversized, and I love this colorful detailing here that's on the front of the sweater. This is how it looks on the back. It's really so warm, fuzzy, cozy, everything in one sweater. I love this. This is from Soul Store again, and I think 1500 कुछ पे किया है मैंने for this sweater, which is totally worth it. It is such great quality, and it's like this this big knitted sweaters, which I like the chunky knit feel. And आप डेनिम पे पहन लो, आप लेगिंग्स पे पहन लो, किसी भी पहन लो, बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. And it's a color that's going to make you look fresh through the day, and I love this. I absolutely love this. It looks so effortlessly stylish, and it has to be one of my most favorite winter wardrobe pieces ever. I really recommend all of y'all to get this one piece because it's going to look so good on everyone. And yeah, I love everything. I don't know what more to say about this. Just go check the description box for the links and get your hands on this sweater. So this was a mini haul, a part 2 of my previous video where I showed you all of my winter outfit shopping from Amazon. Agar aapko video acha laga, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do more winter, like shopping, like more on accessories and stuff, then let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.